Far too many people these days struggle with slow, unreliable sewing machines without even realizing how much time they waste fixing thread jams, redoing stitches, or fighting with uneven fabric feed. Upgrading your sewing machine doesn't just improve your sewing, it transforms your entire workflow, making every project smoother, faster, and far more enjoyable. Whether you're making clothes, doing repairs, crafting quilts, or running a small sewing business from home, the right machine can completely change the way you work. And today, we've put together the top 5 best sewing machines available on Amazon right now. Models that combine power, reliability, and user-friendly features for every skill level. Before we start, make sure to use the links below because they'll take you to the latest discounts for every sewing machine we talk about. Let's get into it. Starting off our list, the Brother CS5055 brings an impressive balance of power and convenience in a sleek, modern design. With 60 built-in stitches, a bright LED-lit workspace, and an easy-to-read LCD display, this machine gives you everything you need for garment construction, hemming, decorative stitching, and much more. The automated needle threader and quick-set drop-in bobbin eliminate the most frustrating parts of sewing, making this an ideal choice for beginners who want a machine that feels professional without being overwhelming. The set even includes 7 different sewing feet, giving you versatility right from day one. Lightweight, reliable, and incredibly smooth to operate, the Brother CS5055 is a fantastic entry-level computerized machine that punches far above its price. Up next, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. Holiday Bundle takes things to a whole new level with raw strength and performance. This machine is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers 50% more speed than a standard sewing machine, making it perfect for denim, canvas, leather, and thick layered fabrics. With 110 stitch applications, a one-step buttonhole, LED lighting, and a tough full metal frame, this is the kind of sewing machine designed to last for years. The bundle includes an extension table and 2 bonus presser feet, giving you added stability and more room to work on larger projects. If you're someone who regularly works with heavy materials, or you simply want a machine that won't slow down when you push it, the Singer 4452 is an absolute workhorse. Moving forward, the Brother XM2701 stands out as one of the most beginner-friendly sewing machines ever made. Lightweight, compact, and surprisingly capable, this little machine includes 27 built-in stitches, 6 included feet, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system. Everything about this model is designed to make sewing simple, from the automatic needle threader to the intuitive stitch selection dial. It handles everyday sewing, home repairs, and basic crafts with ease, making it a perfect choice for new sewists, students, or anyone who wants a quality machine without a complicated learning curve. If you need a dependable starter machine that's easy to carry and easy to master, the XM2701 is the one to beat. Next, we have the Brother GX37, another fantastic option from a brand trusted by millions of sewists worldwide. With 37 built-in stitches and 6 included presser feet, this machine gives you everything you need for clothing construction, alterations, decorative stitching, and more. The metal needle plate offers smooth fabric feeding, while the LED work light ensures you always have a clear view of your stitching, even in low light. Just like other Brother models, the GX37 includes the company's signature quick-set bobbin system and simple threading path, removing the most frustrating part of sewing for beginners. Whether you're working with light fabrics or everyday materials, the GX37 delivers consistent, clean, and professional-looking stitches. And finally, the most advanced machine on our list, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This is a fully loaded computerized sewing and quilting machine with a staggering 600 built-in stitches, alphanumeric lettering, mirror imaging, stitch elongation, and high-end touch controls. Whether you're quilting, tailoring, designing custom outfits, or running a small sewing business, this machine has the precision and power for professional-grade work. It includes an extension table for larger quilting projects, a hard case for easy travel, and tons of accessories to help you master any type of sewing. The automatic thread cutter, speed control slider, and electronic autopilot mode make the Quantum Stylist one of the most versatile and enjoyable sewing machines ever made. If you want a premium sewing experience with unlimited creative potential, this machine is unmatched. No matter which sewing machine you choose, each of these top 5 models delivers reliability, performance, and excellent value. Whether you're just starting your sewing journey or upgrading to something more powerful, these machines will elevate every project you work on. Don't forget to check the links below for the latest deals and discounts on all the machines mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!